second graders, and welcome to our science class. I want you to look at this picture. This is a cat. It's growing and changing, right? Okay, it started its life as a newborn. Look at it. It's a newborn. Then it grew into a kitten, young cat, adult cat, and an elderly, right? So it grows and it changes. Now, what about these plants? These plants too started their lives as seeds. Then they grow into adult trees or adult plants. You too, you started your life as a baby. Now you are a child. Next you'll be an adult. And lately you'll be an elderly. So all living things grow, change, and die. All living things, by living things, I'm talking about animals, plants, and humans. All living things grow, change, and die. They all have different life cycles. What is a life cycle? A life cycle is a series of changes or stages, that a living thing goes through as it grows. So today's lesson is about plants' life cycle. So let's get started. Look at this picture and tell me, what do you see? These are seeds. Different kinds of seeds, as you can see. Now, most plants start their life cycle from a seed. They start their life from a seed. Where do we find these seeds? Look at these two pictures. You can find the seeds inside fruits. Like this pumpkin here. These are its seeds inside the fruit. And you can find the seeds of tomatoes inside tomatoes fruit. Seeds. Pea seeds. These are peas. In peach fruit, you can find the seed inside the fruit. And sunflowers, you can find the seeds in the middle of the flower. So you can find seeds inside fruits, or inside cones. This is a cone. And these are seeds. You can find these seeds inside the cone. So plants make seeds inside fruits or inside cones. This is a seed. Look at this picture here. This is a seed. When you plant a seed into the soil and with the proper conditions, with the right conditions, it will sprout. First, you can see the root coming out, then a small stem with some leaves. So the first stage, when the seed gets what it needs, it sprouts. So what does a seed need? In order to sprout? It needs water. It needs the right temperature, warmth. It needs soil to get nutrients. And it needs air. So these are the needs for the seed to sprout. Sprout. It needs water, warmth, soil, and air. Warmth means the right temperature. As you know, when it's so cold, the seeds die because of the low temperature, right? So seeds need warmth in order to sprout. Water, warmth, soil, and air. After a small stem with some leaves grew, it needs sunlight. Sunlight. It needs sunlight. So the first stage, we're gonna plant the seed into the soil, get what it needs, the proper conditions, and then it will sprout. Look at these two pictures. Time to grow. A young plant that grows from a seed is called a seedling. Seedling. So the first stage is the seed. The next stage is seedling. Seedling is a very small plant with 2 or 3 leaves. Now after that, this seedling will grow more leaves, more stems, as you can see here, and it will become an adult tree. An adult tree. Now, adult tree will grow flowers or cones. Flowers or cones to make seeds. To make seeds again. First, we have the seed. It will sprout with the right or with the proper conditions. It will become a seedling. Seedling. A seedling will grow more stems, more leaves. It will become a young tree, a young plant. Then it will become an adult plant. Now, adult plants grow flowers, as you can see in this picture, or cones, as you can see in this picture. Flowers or cones, and they make seeds then. Now look at this pepper life cycle. It will begin with the seed. We're gonna plant it into the soil, provide it with its needs, then it will sprout. It will sprout. It needs water, warmth. Now a seedling grows, the roots grow down and the stem grows up. This is a seedling. After a while, it will grow more stems, more leaves, and it will become an adult plant. This adult plant will make flowers. In this case, it will make flowers. Then the flowers will become fruits. Now inside the fruit, you can find seeds. Again, seed, seedling, adult plant with flowers or cones. Then inside the fruit or inside the cone, you'll find seeds. Now what happened after an adult tree dies? What happened next? Look at this picture. The adult plant dies and the seeds may grow into new plants. The seeds inside this plant here will fall into the ground with the proper conditions. It will give me a new plant. So this is the life cycle of plants. To the exercise, Label the stages below with the suitable word. Adult, seed, fruit, seedling. Look at this picture. These are seeds inside the fruit. In this stage, this is an adult plant with flowers, and this is a seedling. This is a seedling. In this stage here, fruit. To the next question, fill in the blanks with the suitable word. The words are seedling, warmth, life cycle. 1. The series of changes that a living thing goes through as it grows is its, what do you think? Life cycle. Excellent. 2. A young plant that grows from a seed is called seedling. Great. 3. Seeds need blank and water to sprout. What do they need? Seeds. What do they need? They need warmth and water to sprout. Excellent job. That's it for today, second graders. It was an easy lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time, inshallah.